Today we are going to learn how to get into triangle pose. All you'll need is a yoga block and a yoga mat. And remember, with these poses, everyone's flexibility is going to be different. So when I get into this pose, it may not be that you can get all the way into it, but we're going to break down the modifications to help you be successful in getting into this pose. To begin, I'm going to start with those feet nice and wide, about shoulder distance apart and in a parallel position. If you need to take them a little wider here, you can. But you're standing up nice and tall. I'm going to rotate, turning one foot out towards the edge of my mat. The other foot is going to stay where it is. And I might want to move that foot just a little bit, just depending on what feels good to your body. Once I'm here, I'm going to float the arms out to the side and inhale. Reach forward down towards the floor, taking my eye gaze up to the ceiling as I reach with that opposite arm to the ceiling, reaching this hip back and hold for a few breaths. To come up, press into that floor, to bring it up and down. First modification, grab your yoga block and take it on end right to the inside of the foot. I'll float the arms out and hinge over to bring the palm to the top of that block. Still reaching long out of my opposite arm, taking my gaze up towards the ceiling and reaching back to the sit bones. Pressing out of the floor, I come up. Now, if this is still too far, maybe your hips and hamstrings are super tight and this is just not working for you, there is still another modification you can do, and that'll be to take our arms out. And this time, as you hinge, you can take that elbow to the thigh, reach those sit bones back here. And then to come up, float it back up. If you do need to keep a tiny soft bend in that knee, that's okay too. Everyone's bodies are going to be a little bit different here. Remember to do these on each side and to hold for several breaths. We never want to just jump right into these yoga poses without some kind of a warm-up too. So thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.